Good afternoon, everyone. Michelle Muscatello here. We've been looking at some data that's been coming in throughout the morning hours on this Monday, and all signs still point to a storm system at the end of the weekend, certainly going to be on our radar, pun intended, during the week. But while the signal is there for a storm, there's the fine-tuning of the details, and it's just too early for that, with all options on the table still, whether it's accumulating snow or heavy rainfall, or mix of both. It's going to be days here of analyzing data and coming up with exactly where this storm is going to track, the intensity and the timing of it, to be able to know with better confidence about what this storm will bring. But I would say likelihood of a storm system in the Northeast on the weekend is high. So it's a quiet start to the week. We've got a few days here of pretty boring weather for January. We start to get a little bit more unsettled. Friday morning, we're going to be waking up to some snow showers that'll change over to rain showers, and that's a process that's going to take place during the morning commute. So we'll have to watch for some slippery travel, especially inland. And then we're keeping an eye on that Saturday night and Sunday storm potential. Again, the track's going to determine whether we end up seeing snow or rain out of that. So this afternoon, I expect the clouds to be breaking up. We'll end the day with brighter skies. Temperatures running still a little bit cooler than normal, but a few degrees warmer than the weekend, so low to mid 20s. Here's what it looks like for this evening and overnight tonight. Another chilly one. The temperatures are dropping from the 20s at 10 o'clock in the evening, eventually back into the teens in spot. You can see at 7 a.m. in the morning we have some teens over southeastern Massachusetts, westerly Providence down to around that 20-degree mark. And so the next few days, kind of temperature fluctuations will be the story before that storminess for the end of the week. So a chance of rain and snow, very low up until we head towards Friday. Let's take a look at the scenario here, and I gotta take my face off the screen so you can see it. Here's system number one. This guy's going to be coming through here as we head into very late Thursday night and Friday. It looks initially cold enough to support maybe some brief snow, but that change over to rain occurs and it's out of here in the afternoon and evening. So it's the weaker of the two systems. I'm not going to write it off because we are concerned about maybe some travel impacts in the early part of Friday. But the second storm is the one that looks more significant. You can see the snow on Saturday through places like Kansas City and St. Louis, the Ohio Valley, much of Pennsylvania, even DC potentially could get a little bit more snow out of this before it heads our way. So Saturday night into Sunday is when we'd be looking at the possibility of some impacts from that system. And the track, again, is going to be key, but right now all sort of precipitation types are still on the table for us. We're going to be keeping you updated on it right here on WPRI.com. Have a great rest of your day.